Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video we have May's glossy box. So I got the Leopard Print Box. As you can see, comes in this beautiful packaging. So if this is the kind of video you like, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell button, and let's get into the video. So yeah, I got the Leopard Print Box. I believe there's two types of boxes. Obviously the leopard print one, which looks like this and this beautiful packaging, and there is obviously like a zebra sort of box as well. So the zebra one kind of looks like this, and this is obviously the box that I've got, which I thought was really good. Now inside, as usual, you get a little look at what is everything that you've got in there. You get 5 items in total. It costs £10, and I think there's like £2 or something for delivery, and it comes every month. It's a subscription box, so do check it out because you get a lot of full-size products and you do get your money's worth, and it gives you the opportunity to try new things and just to try things out. Really, it's a good opportunity to sort of try new products, see if you like them or not, and for £10 it's really affordable. They probably have a discount code, which I'll find if it's available. They usually do one every month, but I'll pop it on the screen or I'll leave it in the link below. Usually sometimes you can get your first box for about £8, so have a look on the site and see if you want to sign up. You can just sign up once or you can cancel it, or whatever you want to do. Really, you can cancel at any time. So looking into what we've got today, just delving in as well, it always comes lovely, beautifully packaged like that. We've got some nice gold paper going on there. So here's the contents of the box. As I say, you get 5 items. So the first one that I can see here is an Eos balm. Now the RRP for this is £6.50. It is organic. It's a sweet mint flavour, which is lovely. I do love an Eos balm. It's 100% natural organic oils and shea butter. So that's lovely. And it looks like that. So yeah, looking forward to using that in the sweet mint flavour. Let's have a little smell check. So first fail of today is that mine comes in 2 halves, which isn't the best because it's obviously broken somewhere. Normally it's meant to look like a little dome, but I must have a slight faulty one. Sorry, glossy box. I can still use that half and get my finger in there instead. But yeah, it looks like that. Normally it comes in like a dome shape. Don't take this one as how it's supposed to look, because I'm sure yours won't look like this. Anyway, smell wise, it sort of tastes like sweets, like mint sweets, which is like humbugs or something, which is really nice. But yeah, so I'm really gonna look forward to using that. So next up as well, we have one of these mud maskies. So I've used some stuff like this before. I really liked it. I think I had some, I can't remember, but I've definitely used this brand before. This is a hair mask, scalp treatment and miracle shampoo 3-in-1 formula. This is lovely to be able to try as well. This is not tested on animals, paraben free and all natural. So again, this is also a full-size product, so it should have been £21. So immediately you've got your money back. I know I always say this, but it's good to know that for your £10 you do get quite a lot. So yeah, looking forward to using that on my hair and making it feel pampered. Right, next up as well, we have the skin clarifying leopard face mask. Now we all love a face mask for a bit of pampering. So this one has tea tree and willow bark, which is going to be lovely. It retails at £4, so obviously not the cheapest of masks, but obviously it does a really good job. And I do love a face mask for a pampering night. It's really good, so I'm looking forward to using that as well. Next up, we have a Stargazer eyeliner pencil. This is a full-size product as well. It should have been RRP £2. I've got it in kind of like a gold shade. It is called gold, and according to the card you could get a variety of shades. I think they're showing you there quite a few different shades that you could possibly get in your box. So I've got it in gold, so it says receive one of 6. So I got it in the gold shade. It's nice if you just want to sort of accent a little area of your eye. Don't know whether I'll be using this, but I can give it a go. If not, I can give it away. So yeah. Right, next up as well, we have a Steve Laurent. We get quite a lot of Steve Laurent products actually. Again, it comes with the matching packaging. It is an eyeshadow palette. It actually retails at £31, and again, it is a full-size product. So obviously that is the packaging. Inside as well, those are the shades of the eyeshadows, which are really up my street. I love all the sort of natural sort of colours, and these are definitely my kind of shades. I generally don't go for like vibrant shades, so yeah, they're really good. And you do get a selection of sort of like matte colours and sort of shimmery colours, which is really good as well. Actually, it kind of reminds me, some of those reminds me of the Naked 3 palette that I've got on at the moment. So yeah, very nice. Really good, really good for GLOSSYBOX this month. So that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I will see you all in the next video.